Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Brown color, sky blue color, silver color, orange color, blue color, red color, white color, pink color, green color, light green color, yellow color, black color, and purple color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. It's now you draw I. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. It's now either Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.